it's Faye. Today I wanted to film a skincare video, and yes, we're doing your typical Blackhead video. I'm playing with this new camera. You can see my whole room and it's not cleaned. By the way, I'm planning to do a room makeover. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go into my Blackhead drawer. I swear I didn't have enough room in here, so I put it in here. These are some Blackhead strips that I really wanted to try out. This is HOLIKA's newest edition of their Piggy Clear No Strip line. This is the honey one. Here's a no water needed Blackhead strip. I'm kind of tempted with the no water. What? As you can see, I have a whole bunch in here. Shoot me a DM if you want some. Yeah. So here we go. I'm gonna link these down below if you want to try them yourself. This is no water and has a finger pad. That's kind of new. That's kind of interesting. Anyway, let's go ahead and try this. By the way, I just got out of the shower, so my hair is still drying. I know, gorgeous. This whole summer, this has been the longest time I haven't worn a Blackhead strip, so I'm super excited to see like what are the nitty-gritties we're gonna see today. I'm really excited for that finger pad. Okay, so for step one, apparently we're supposed to be rubbing this onto our nose. Oh, it's a sheet. I get it. It looked like this. It kind of has foam coming out of it, kind of like a bubble mask, and it's very drenched. At least I'm not drowning in my sorrows. I'd rather be drowning in this. So we're gonna leave this on for 5 minutes. I know you're thirsty and whatnot, but just make sure you're not drinking this because it's coming down. So apparently with this no water Blackhead strip method, this 3-step kit is supposed to gently melt and effectively remove your blackheads. Also refreshingly soothes your pores, as it claims. I mean, they're marketing this no water term pretty well. Sometimes the Blackhead strips I use doesn't necessarily need me to go wet my nose anyway, because you're gonna use the serum from step 1 anyway, so like, are you milking it? Still love you though. Love HOLIKA. I kind of feel some stinging going on, but it could be because like I kind of shaved today. So my experience a razor burn on camera. This sheet does feel like it has some kind of carbonation fizz going on. I'm not too sure if that's like the dealio, but like, so this smells burnt. Oh my gosh, this thing smells burnt. Kind of smells like sparklers when you take them out of the box. Attractive. Then we're gonna go ahead with step 2, and this is the Blackhead strip sheet. There's a more cotton side and then a sticky side, which is this blue side. This kind of leaves like a sticky residue, not gonna lie. You see that? Boom boing. Ooh, it sticks. Oh, that sticks pretty well. Okay. So this strip is a little bit more stiff. It's stiff. Define stiff. No flexibility. Stiff. My legs. So yeah, now we're gonna leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes as stated in the package, and we're just gonna chill. Damn, it's almost 5 o'clock. Apparently, compared to all the HOLIKA pig nose Blackhead strips, this strip is more convenient. No, H-O up in this head. She dry, so she's a little more convenient. I don't even know how that was funny. So hopefully this is gonna eliminate all the blackheads and just pull out all the impurities. Pull out them plugs. Since I have 15 to 20 minutes, I'm gonna go get ice cream. And yes, I go out like this. Apparently step 3, the finger pad when we get there, is the best part. It helps with restoration. So I'm kinda excited for the finger condom. What do I want? I want mint chocolate chip. This is so bad for us because we literally live 2 minutes away from a Baskin Robbins. And we get ice cream so often now. 3 times a week. And then I just stretched my nose. Oh my god, I forgot I had this on. Getting my blackheads removed and also ice cream. Best day ever. I forgot I just brushed my teeth. It's super minty. Oh my god. My ice cream didn't even last. I finished it all in the car. It has been 20 minutes now, so I'm gonna go pee and then we'll peel this off. Now that I finished eating my feelings away, it's time we peel this motherfucker off. Sorry, I just have a little bit of sugar in me right now. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to embarrass you. I'm coming close to you. I know we're supposed to be 6 feet apart, but just... Here we go. Oh! Is the bitch not crying for once? Not even painful. Not at all. No. Look how easy this is. She said no more blood, sweat, and tears. But she said filthy. Ew. I see some prickly ones. They can stab you in the toe. So before I engulf into this strip and show you guys, I'm gonna Ugh. I'm gonna go ahead and use the finger pad now. What we've been waiting for. I believe we're just supposed to be like rubbing our nose and stuff. There's just one. I thought there was gonna be two. This is quite interesting. If you have trypophobia, I'm sorry. So this pad has like pink polka dots. I wonder if that melts off or if that's just something to give this texture and some grittiness to exfoliate the nose, cleanse it. Let's see. So I'm just gonna rub this for a bit. As you can tell, I'm a little bit red from that peeling. Let me try to do this without my mouth open. Okay, so the pink polka dots, they don't necessarily melt off, but they become a little bit weary and a bit more flattened. It's not harsh at all. It just kind of feels like soft budding that you're like rubbing against your nose. Not like anything gritty or rough or sandpaper-esque. It feels dual. It has a dual personality, you know? Not much excitement happening. I thought there was gonna be way more. Oh my god, you know? How long do I do this for? Ooh. I do see some residue on this. Right around the edge, I do see a bit of residue and debris. I guess it's kind of good for cleansing. Anyway, as I'm doing this, I just want to take a moment and let you guys know that I bought a longboard. Recently have gotten into it and I'm super excited to learn on my own. So let me know if you guys want to see that Titanic shipwreck in real life. These legs might be stiff, but they're talented. Okay? Okay. So if you can see up close, it caught a lot of debris, which is funny because I just peeled this off. Like most Korean blackhead strips, you're not supposed to rinse this off afterwards. So I'm just gonna let it sit here and dry, which it has already dried within like the 2 seconds I gave it a chance to breathe. My nose feels extremely... What? My nose feels like a rubber nose. It doesn't feel like my nose. Wait, why? What? Okay, it's definitely the serum and like that rubbing motion killed off all the feelings in my nose and it feels like a plastic nose I have. Like it doesn't feel like a nose right now. Why does it feel so weird? What the fuck? What? Why? Can you see how nice my nose is right now though? I don't know if you can tell, but it just feels fake. You know when you suck in your stomach? It feels like my nose doing that. What kind of witchery? We got ourselves a Linda nose today? Look how clean my nose looks. Nice. I don't know. Oh my god. Look at that. How my nose became rubber in 20 minutes. So this is a visual representation of how my nose feels right now. Linda, listen. Don't play like that.
So I got overly excited and forgot to end this video. Here are the results. It's a bit harder to see with this glossy blue sheet, but just so you guys have an idea, you can tell this is a gel-like strip that adhered because of that serum we got from step 1. It seems like the most troubled area was actually the tip of my nose this time. And normally I get it from the side, so this did amazing. We get some prickly sour salads out of this strip along with some debris. To be really raw and honest, I do recommend this strip. You get results and moderately low pain tolerance. It is easy and you don't have to worry about making a mess. So try it out, Linda. Like this video if you want some strips, DM me. I don't know, do what you want. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!